we had Price Middle School joined us for a program on forest ecology. They came here through a wonderful grant program that we have that's funded by the Convita Foundation, and that's our Convita Life Science program. It's available to any Atlanta Public Schools school. They come here, the admission is free, we also reimburse for the transportation. Part of the program is also available where we come to you. So at the Nature Center we have 127 acres, we're a private nonprofit. Here at the Nature Center we have many live animals. We have a wildlife rehabilitation center where we take care of raptors and reptiles that are native here to Georgia.
What we have in here are some plants and animals that live in our watershed, either in the river, in the water, on the shores of the water, or in those forests that are right by the water. The animals in here have been injured in some way. They can't live by themselves anymore.
Today we had the opportunity to visit Chattahoochee Nature Center. It's been a phenomenal experience for our students. They had the opportunity to take what we've been learning in class and have a chance to focus it in their worlds off the page. So the kids had the opportunity to look at our local ecosystem, look at some of the things that are taking place in terms of the human impact with regard to deforestation, ecological succession. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to go back to the school and we're going to take the opportunity to look at ways that we can counteract some of the issues that are going on in our local ecosystem. So connecting all of the GPS standards that we have for our students and giving them an opportunity to create service learning projects so that we can make sure that the community that we have in our ecosystem is prepared for the next generation.
Guys, we're going to have to tell the other group they're going to be jealous they didn't get to see the baby snapping.
This is a baby snapping turtle. Probably came from the pond right behind us.
It's camera shy.
You think so?
Look at that count. Because it stopped moving for a second. Get a little faster.
I'll tell you that this is not a venomous snake. Did you hear the word I used?
Venomous.
Venomous. Do you know there's no such thing as a poisonous snake? Poison is like a plant, like poison ivy. If you touch it, that's when you get sick and itchy, right? If I pretended like this was a venomous snake and I touched it, that's not what's going to hurt me. What hurts me? When they bite you, and that chemical, that venom goes inside of your body. So there's a lot of things that are venomous, sometimes we call poisonous, like when you get stung by a bee, that's a chemical going inside your body. That's a kind of venom. You want to feel? No?
It's so slippery. Yeah. They like one.
Come behind
Be
you.
brave, Jasmine. Like yeah. I want to go again.
You want to feel?
Be brave, other Jasmine. Other Jasmine. My grandma.
Here today at the Chattahoochee Nature Center, I learned deeply about our insects, plants, and how they all work together in our nature. deeply about what our insects and plants can do and how they work together. Like, it's really educational and it's like a great thing to learn. And I had fun learning everything with my friends today. I really did. My experience here is very, very good and helpful to the classroom, and it makes you think twice about things you do outside the world. And you have to learn. You learn how to help the environment and the animals that you affect when you litter. They build new roads. And one of my favorite parts was when we were walking back, we got to see a line of turtles on this one stem, and they all just dive in the water one by one. And it just really the turtles reminded me of us, how we follow our mom, we grow up with our mom and dad, and then we go on by ourselves.